about to see? What are you about to see up there?
I don't know. I think I'm about to see the cannonballs that stands for independence or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that was part of Haitian defense system.
Haitian what?
Haitian military system, the defense system after after our independence.
Okay.
Shit, we didn't want the French to come back, so we had our defense system.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Damn.
With the sun, it would be a lot more gorgeous.
Shit. Yeah, it's coming off.
That's where we're going.
What?
See the flag up there?
Yeah. Shit.
What is it you say?
They got an elevator that bring you back down.
Let's build one. Spend the next 50
Had to
days.
put my China hat on, man. Had to represent for the home team.
Where are we going?
We're going to the top of this mountain, man. We about to see. We looking at this was the Haitian defense. Correct? Is
Yes.
that correct?
Yes, it's a fortress.
Yeah, like a fortress. Where they couldn't get up in here.
Yeah, they come on the boat,
Yeah, but they
so
can
they're
see
in
'em.
trouble.
Yeah, they see them before they get here. So, kind of like in Chattanooga, man. How they use the mountain terrain to win the war. What war was that, Clay? The Civil War. Yeah. So really in war, man, it's all about using your terrain. You know what I mean? Pretty sure y'all seen 300. And in war, mountains have always been a big key in war. And it's the same thing on a smaller level. I can remember growing up, living in Pa's home, being in Pa's home. You know, it was only one way in and one way out. So we would know when the police was coming. They could only come in one way. But they would try tactics like they might pull up in a UPS truck or pull up in a mail truck, so you won't try to disguise themselves to sneak in with being undetected. So like I say, every time they come with a new trick, we have to figure out another trick how to beat it. So I understand this perfectly. This just on the bigger scale.
I gotta go up again.
Okay.
Go ahead, you guys can go by.
Oh, right here.
Just with
2 hours.
You said what?
2 more hours.
2 more hours.
Yeah, 2 more little hours. Not the big ones.
I sit right here and wait till y'all get back. Zoom in on me when you get up there. And I go like this. I think that'll be a great time. I'm good at going up. It's coming down for me.
Yeah, it's really cool.
We're almost there.
Yeah. I ain't tripping, man. You get that? That's fucking good. Oh man.
Sin pa fon yon ap peti. Tout bel bagay sa yo. Ki sembolize histwa nou.
Man, I feel special, man. Damn, this shit feels like something. I'm in the first independent country, man. I'm sitting on a real cannon, dog. Like, damn. I gotta say, this shit feel amazing, dog. Appreciate you for making me keep going.
Yep.
See, that's what brothers do, man. We got to push each other sometimes. I was ready to turn back. I was like, well, I seen it from down there, I'm good. Dodo said, nah, man, we got to keep going, dog. You got to see this. He said, you'll be all right. You're right. Lil Snoop, all of them, I love what they doing. And I bought his shirt to support him. And we in the land right now of Haiti. So I just felt like it'd be appropriate to bring an independent rapper and bring his product with an independent filmmaker on this film I'm making and represent for him too while I'm over here. So yeah, too smart, too ambitious, too dangerous, and vicious. The lane. Shouts out Young Dolphin Paper Right Empire. That's from Little More Films. Chattanooga, Tennessee. Y'all made this like last time?
I can't remember if we did it last time. We've done it before.
Probably took us a longer time to climb up here the first time.
Yeah. That's probably true.
I love this fish net that's down. It's pretty
That's a
big.
old fish net too, boy.
Man, it's big.
Somebody getting it in, boy. How do you, it's not heavy when all the fish get
They invite a lot of people to help
pull
them
it
drag
in?
it. Yeah.
The whole neighborhood probably eat off of it. Like, you know what I mean? When they sell it,
Yeah.
they probably all go sell it.
Yeah. But
Okay, that's good.
at least there's a owner of it, but he shares.
Dang.
Fake.
You heard that, Clay?
That's
good.
That's huge.
Yeah, that's big. No, look. Can you see that fish net in the water? The big fish net?
See, hold on. I can't. Can you put your hand?
Like over this?
Yeah.
Over this or over this?
Over this.
The lens?
No, the. Yeah. Maybe it's hard to see if it's in there, but
You got the other lens? The zoom?
that's actually good. Oh. Yeah, let's do it.
Nah, cause he talking about
Yeah. How the.
that's a fucking lot of shit. Yeah, let's talk about that. I got you.
Careful.
Put this one on there.
Yeah. Put that one on the end, and then.
You got the cover.
Yeah. It's in my pocket.
Get your hand out of my pocket. You know what I'm talking about? Malcolm X.
Yeah. I do. Give it like a little once over with your shirt on the lens there.
How do they seem like it'll be heavy, too heavy to pull in. And what he said is everybody from the community, from the neighborhood, will help pull it in once it gets gathered with fish. And the owner will share it with the community, and they all go out into the village and sell it. So to me, that's very empowering. You know what I'm saying? That's very empowering. I wish we could come together like that in the States. Yeah, I wish we can do that in the States, man. That's kind of big when you think about it. Woo! I just wanted to do that. Got it. Does it go all the way in?
No.
Man. You can feel the history in here.
I filmed an interview here.
You did?
Yeah.
Damn, that's pretty good. How did that go?
It was pretty much my first video.
Oh yeah?
I'll show it to you.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one on the other side too? Yeah, that's how I feel in America though, man. Like it's controlled. You know what I mean? It's controlled. But sometimes I feel like